ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. We are learning pair of linear equations in two variables in class 10. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables and equations reducible. Equations reducible to linear equations. This is the model we are now going to cover. If the given equations are in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then we can directly solve these two equations and find the nature of the two equations. Look at the board. When you are given any two equations in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we can find the nature of the equations. Then what can you conclude? These two equations may be parallel lines or they are coincident lines, L1, L2, L1, L2, they are coincident lines or intersecting lines, L1, L2. Any two equations which represents two straight lines may be in the form of two parallel lines or two intersecting lines or two coincident lines. So that is according as the ratio of their coefficients that you have already discussed, you have already learnt in your previous lessons. But here it is not in that form. So reducible to linear equations means what? You are not given the equations in the direct linear equations. Instead, you are given equations in a different way so that they can be transformed or they can be reduced or they can be changed further into two linear equations. That way we have to proceed. So when the direct equations are not given, how to solve the problem? That is the question. For that, first of all, I will take one example and explain that so that you can understand it. So when you are given two equations which are not in the straight form, like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 or a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, you have to transform the equation into two different forms which look like pair of linear equations. For that, I will tell you one small example. By taking the example, I will solve the problem. Suppose you are given a problem like this. I am writing the problem. First look at the problem. The problem question 1 is solve for x and y. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. This kind of equations are given in the examination. What did they mention? Solve for x and y. So, if you take LCM x minus 1 into y minus 2, this is multiplied by 6 times, that is y minus 2, this is multiplied by 3 times, this x minus 1, and simplification and taking the denominator to right hand side and solving it, that gets big, large one. The equation becomes very long, which is very confusing, very disturbing, very tedious, not able to do it. Sometimes when you multiply, simplify, the procedure becomes very lengthy. For that case, what we have to do? We have to use our brain and go by a small technique. Look at the first term. Can you notice x minus 1 here in the second equation, first equation? Yes, both equations do have x minus 1 in the denominator. Am I right? Similarly, what is the second denominator? It is y minus 2 and y minus 2. For that, what I do is, I will take 1 by x minus 1 as a, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So, you substitute these two values in the given equation. Then what do you get? Look at the problem. The problem becomes very easy. It is in terms of a and b. What is a? 1 by x minus 1. Then what is 6a? 6 into 1 by x minus 1. So, it is 6 by x minus 1. So, how do you convert this? 6 times a, 6a minus 3y is equal to 1. We can write it as minus 1 equal to 0. This is 5 by x minus 1, which is equivalent to 5a plus 1 b, I am sorry, this is b. 1 by y minus 2 is b, 1b minus 2 is equal to 0. Look at this. Now, look at the two equations. Is it looking like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0? Instead of x and y, we got the two variables as a and b. Understood? So, this way you have to reduce the given equation into linear equations. When you are not given linear equations, you have to somehow substitute something whichever is useful and transform the equation into linear equation. This is called reducing the equation to two linear equations. This is the heading. In pair of linear equations in two variables, equations reducible to linear equations is a subtopic, which is in fact difficult topic, examination oriented topic, and in examination this kind of questions may appear. In order to solve this, it is not very easy to solve. You have to reduce it to linear equations. In order to reduce it to linear equations, what is that we have to do? We have to use substitution method. So, we are substituting a for 1 by x minus 1, substituting b for 1 by y minus 2. If you want, you can write it as p and q. Some people write it as k1 and k2, or you can write p and q, or you can write a and b, whatever you want you can write, but here a and b are variables. As x and y are variables, a and b are also variables. Now, you can see it here. Look at these two equations. What do you say? A1 by sorry, A1 by A2 is 6 by 5, B1 by B2 is minus 3 by 1. Are they equal? They are unequal. Therefore, intersecting lines, unique solution exists. So, you do not need to write all these things, you can straight away take this. So, shall we solve it by taking this? How to eliminate b? B coefficient is 1, here it is minus 3. So, multiply the second equation, call it as second equation, this as first equation. So, you can now multiply the second equation by 3. So, first equation as it is I am writing 6a minus 3b minus 1 equal to 0. Second equation is multiplied by 3 gives what? 15a plus 3b. This is 1b, in fact 1b, because 1 time y minus 1 by y minus 2 minus 3 into 2, it is 6 is equal to 0. So, what we have to do? We have to eliminate b. That means what? By addition they get cancelled. So, take plus, you will get cancelled. 6a plus 15a is 21a, minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7 equal to 0. What is 21a? 7, a is equal to 7 by 21, which is equal to 1 by 3. So, you got a is equal to 1 by 3. From this, substitute a value and then get x value. What is a? Here it is. Look at this. A equal to 1 by 3, you can substitute here. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. Am I right? This implies cross multiplication 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 1 into x minus 1, 3 is equal to x minus 1. X is equal to 1 will come this side, therefore, x is equal to 4 is the answer. So, when x equal to 4, you can substitute here and simplify it. X equal to 4, substitute x is equal to 4 in 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. What do you get? 6 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, what is 4 minus 1? 3. 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means what? In the next step, I will write it. If you know it, you can write it directly also. What is 6 by 3? 2. 2 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 by y minus 2 will go that side. 1 will come this side. 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 by y minus 2. What is 2 minus 1? 1. 1 is equal to 3 by y minus 2. Cross multiplication. Y minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 goes that side. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Hence, what is the y value? 5. So, you are asked to find solve for x and y. What is x? 4. What is y? 5 is the answer. If you want, you can verify it here. What is x? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 6 by 3, 2. Leave it like that. What is y value? 5. Substitute here. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 by 3, 1. So, this is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Verified. So, like this, you have to solve any problem by reducible method. All of you take down the problem. I am just standing here so that you can take a screenshot also, or you can write down fully.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
The problem is on equation of irreducible type. Equation of reducible type, I am sorry. So, you have to reduce the equations into pair of linear equations and proceed further. So, I hope you understood the concept of doing this. So, I will take one more problem now on the same model. In the same model, you have got several problems in the textbook and in the examination also. Now, we are going to do one more problem, which is very, very important, and the same model I am writing it on the board. Question 2 on reducible type. Solve for x and y. It is not required, but I am writing it for x and y. What is the equation? 5 by x minus 1 plus y by 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Look at the previous problem and this problem. Are they looking like? No, they are little different. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1, and the equation 1 is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2 is a similar problem. So, we do not need to do this, we will change it now. It is already done. We will change another problem like this. It is already done. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. So, instead of that, I will write one more problem like this. Two by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So, we are now doing this problem. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So, we will do this problem by reducing it into linear equations. Look at this problem. Answer: x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. This problem is answer: x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Done. Next problem. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to 1. Look at the first coefficient here, 2. First term is containing 1 by root x. Shall we take 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y is equal to b? This is what we suppose for the problem. 1 by root x is equal to a, 1 by root y equal to b. Substitute these two values in the given equation. Then what do you get? 2 by root x, 2 into 1 by root x, it is 2a, plus 3 by root y, 3 into 1 by root y plus 3b is equal to 2. So, it can be written as minus 2 equal to 0. 4a minus 9b minus 1. So, it is plus 1 equal to 0. Now, the equations are reduced into linear equations. So, this is reduced linear equations, new linear equations. This is given equations. Given equations. These are the given equations. These are the new linear equations. We know how to solve linear equations by any method. Either you can take graphical method, or you can take elimination method, or substitution method. This is what is called solving the linear equations in two variables. What are the variables here? A and b. So, shall we solve it? Before solving, just check up what is a1 by a2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2, 3 by minus 9, minus 1 by 3. Are they equal? They are unequal. Therefore, there is a possible solution for this problem. That means, unique solution exists because they are intersecting lines. You do not need to write all this. So, call it as 1 and 2. So, first equation I am multiplying it by, what will we multiply? 3. Then what happens? 1 into 3, first equation is multiplied by 3. 3 into 2, 6a. 3 into 3, 9b. 3 into 2, minus 6 is equal to 0. Second equation is multiplied by 1. The same thing you have to write. 4a minus 9b plus 1 is equal to 0. So, we have reduced the equations into linear equations, and then we are trying to solve. So, what do we do now? Look at a coefficient, b coefficient. What is a coefficient here? 6. Here it is 9. 9 and 9 get cancelled. In order to see that they get cancelled, what you have to do? Add. This plus indicates that we are adding the two lines, two equations. 6a plus 4a, 10a, 9b minus 9b gone, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. Understood? 10a is equal to minus 5. So, 10a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 by 10, 1 by 2. Here we want a as 1 by root x. So, 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. What is a? 1 by root x. 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2, cross multiplication. 2 is equal to root x, squaring x square, root x square is equal to 2 square, which is x is equal to 4 is the answer. So, when you get x is equal to 4, how to get the value of y? For that, you can take a value here and substitute here and get b value. Otherwise, substitute x equal to 4 in the original equation. Substitute x is equal to 4 in given equation. Then what do you get? 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. So, we are taking the given first equation, or you can substitute in second equation also. So, then what do you get? Substitute 4 here, 2 by root 4 plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. What is root 4? 2. 2 by 2, 1. 1 plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 3 by root y is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. 3 is equal to root y, squaring 9 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 9. So, what is the answer? Y is equal to 9, x is equal to 4. So, the answer is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 9 for this problem. Solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2, 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. You can solve it this way. So, all of you copy down this, we will do few more problems like this. So, this is what is the problem and you have to be very careful in doing this. It is a 4-mark question, it is repeatedly asked in the examination also, very important model. This model is under reducible to linear equations. This is given, you have to substitute and get the new linear equations, solve it by any method, you get a value, then from a value you get x value, then from x value substitute in the original equation, then you get in y value. I hope you enjoy learning this kind of problems. This is a very important problem, examination model.